In this problem, we need to show that the second derivative of y with respect to x equals first derivative of y with respect to x whole square. It's given that e raised to the power of y times x plus 1 equals to 1. So let's begin. So here we have e raised to the power of y multiplied to x plus 1 equals to 1. We'll divide both sides with x plus 1. So that gives us e raised to the power of y equals to 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we'll take the natural logarithm on both sides. So we have natural log of e raised to the power of y equals to natural log of 1 over x plus 1. Now, natural log of e raised to the power of y is simply y. That's because here we have used two properties. The first property being if we have log of a raised to the power of b, so that's equivalent to b times log of a. And if we have natural log of e, that's going to be equals to 1 because actually natural log of e is equals to log of e with a base of e. So that is always equals to 1. Fine. So this gives us 1 y, and this will be equal to natural log of 1 minus natural log of x plus 1. So here we have used another property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a over b, so that's equals to log of a minus log of b. Right. So now log of 1. So log of 1 that always is 0. So we have y equals to negative times natural log of x plus 1. We have simplified this. So we started out with e raised to the power of y times x plus y equals to 1. Now we have a simplified form in terms of y. Now let's call this equation number 2 and let's call this number 1, although we'll be using 2. Fine. Now that we have equation number 2, we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have derivative of y with respect to x, so that's equals to negative of derivative of log of x plus 1, so that's 1 over x plus 1 multiplied to derivative with respect to x of x plus 1. Here we have applied the chain rule. So derivative of y with respect to x, so that simply gives us negative 1 over x plus 1. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll again take its derivative with respect to x. So we have first second derivative of y with respect to x, so this will be equals to negative of derivative with respect to x of, so we have x plus 1, so we'll write it as x plus 1 raised to the power of negative 1, and this gives us value 1 over x plus 1 whole squared. Right, x plus 1 whole squared, so that means we have first derivative of y with respect to x, so that's equals to, we can express 1 over x plus 1 whole squared as negative of 1 over x plus 1 whole raised to the power of 2, and it would mean exactly the same thing, and this can be replaced with dy over dx, so this is dy over dx whole squared. So therefore we have successfully showed that the first second derivative of y with respect to x is equals to first derivative of y with respect to x whole squared when this particular equation is given to us.